Allied Telesis TQ Series access points run the radio side of your network. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your TQ Series access points keep running the Wi-Fi, whilst Purple runs the guest experience through external page redirect and radius. Allied Telesis moves the packets, Purple owns the sign-in and the data. First, configure external page redirect on your chosen virtual access point so the captive portal redirects new devices to your Purple splash page. Second, point the access point at Purple's radius service on ports 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting. Third, add a walled garden to let the splash page load and any payment or social login steps complete. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ai.